Hi everyone, it's Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into ScaffoldIQ and I'm going to show you the process of creating questions for your inspection templates. Let's get started. Right, to add in any form of question for your handovers or your inspection, this can be simply done by going into your global options. In this section here, you've got your inspection and handovers information. You've got your handover settings, questions, and inspection templates. So we're going to be adding questions in that need to be answered for any type of form. This is the same process for the inspection questions as well as handover questions. Okay, so either way you want to add the questions in, you can just do it this way. So depending on what kind of answer I need on my question that I'm asking, I will go through these processes here. So if I need a number answer, a text answer, yes, no answer, date and time list. So you get the gist of what information I need. I will reference it to what I'm asking them to do. So for this one, I'm just going to add a yes and no. So for the name of this question is totally up to you. I've created mine on regarding the format of how I want mine set up. Component questions, I've got foundation questions, I've got guardrail questions. So depending on how you want to set it up is totally up to you. So I'm going to just add a connections. So I'm going to add it as C question 4, the group, all different types of groups that I've created. So this is my components question. So it's going to stay within this group. Is it required? Yes. Is the non-applicable used within this question? Yes, I'm going to tick that off. So my question is, so I'm just going to put in a daft question for this one. Are all components used correct and used in the correct manner? Just a simple question. And then I want to click default. So yes, no, not applicable. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Click OK, and there you go. Question 4 added in. So that's how you add in a question to be added into one of your documents. And then you can go ahead and then in inspections templates, I can then add it in. I can edit this one and then add in this question that I've just created. So I hope this helps. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come. And if you would like to know more information regarding this process, please reach out to our support team today. Thanks for watching.